Hey, what's up guys, Siddhant here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to switch from KingRoot to SuperSU. So this trick does not require any computer or loss of data and stuff like that. It's a really simple and safe way to switch from KingRoot to SuperSU. So without any further delay, let's jump right into it. Now you need to download an app called SuperSU Me. The link will be down in the description. What basically this app do is delete KingRoot and install SuperSU without rooting. So you just need to open the app and click on this big blue button. Now this will remove KingRoot without the root and install SuperSU, and it will delete all the data of KingRoot, but the root will be in the phone. It will not remove the root. So just click on that blue button and it will let it do its things. As you guys can see, it's removing KingRoot and it will install SuperSU. Now it will take about 1 minute. It will not take time. As you guys can see, installing SuperSU. Now if you see this message, just click on OK, and as you guys can see, click on continue and click on normal. If you have any custom recovery ROM, click on that, TRP or another option. And it is installing. So as you guys can see, install success. Now you need to reboot your phone. You can do it now or afterwards. So guys, as you guys can see, now if you see this SuperSU icon in your apps menu, if you see this King user app, just go ahead and remove that. And as you guys can see, SuperSU is now installed. And as you guys can see, so yeah guys, this is basically it, how to install SuperSU on KingRoot. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Peace.